cut the cord on their grinder. I just happened to catch it, but I figured this would be a really good example of something that I could use. Something that I would be putting wire connectors on. So first, we're going to clean cut this to get a good end on it instead of this frayed end. So we're going to snip that. That's a clean cut. And then there's actually coating around this thing. And using that razor sharp piece, take that rubberized coating off. And then of course we got the string in here you got to get rid of. Don't need the string for nothing. Oh, didn't cut the string. Oh, maybe it did. So, cut that off. Cut that off. Now we've got our two wires. This looks to be like a 12. So we're gonna stick that in there, twist it around, and then pull straight through. Got a good clean end on that one. Same thing on number 2. Get that rubberized coating. This will work really good on the plastic ones, honestly. And then we got our end. Twist that over. Twist that over. And now we're ready for a connector. If I was putting this thing back together, but I'm not. But that took all of a minute and a half to do. Oh, sorry, we got one stray wire there. Let's clean